Hi, so this is Total Parts Pro to 2016 Ford Ranger, stock number 6786. It's ran from the 6th 2015 and the 4th 2022. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory magnet tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre, and taillight, right rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard 1 scuff in the corner, right front 17-inch factory magnet tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,